Hey you guys, thank you so much for clicking on this IGTV video. This is going to be my solo nighttime routine for a mom of two. I love watching these types of videos, so I decided to do my own. My husband works night shifts, so I end up doing a lot of this stuff in the evening by myself, and I have two little kids. This is me cleaning up from dinner. Obviously, you know, that makes a huge big mess. I wanted to mention too, this house, we've only lived in it for a few months and we have not had a chance to remodel the kitchen. That is on the list, but you know, low priority right now. So once I get everything cleaned up from dinner, I usually get my girls starting their bedtime routines for themselves. This is Baylor. She is my 10-month-old baby, and then Braylon is my 3.5-year-old, and we usually do baths and then jammies. And then we are going to, every single night I try to clean up Braylon's room. This is my oldest daughter's room. We're remodeling our basement, so we don't have a playroom. So unfortunately, if we don't pick up toys in here, it just is a mess all day long. So every single night we try to clean up toys, and personally, I just think this is really fun to watch and very therapeutic watching the mess go away. I just had to leave this part in. I thought it was so cute and so realistic of what mom life looks like. Everyone's climbing all over you, moving around, antsy, can't sit still for the story. So we do story time every night, and this is pretty accurate of what it looks like. Then I will put the baby down, and once the baby's down, I will start doing the fun stuff. So here I'm using my Dyson vacuum. You guys, I love my Dyson. The only thing I will say that I don't love about it is that it has to stay on the charger. If you don't put it back on the charger, it's going to be dead. But I use the Dyson vacuum on my carpets, my hardwoods, and my furniture. I had already taken all my Christmas decorations down, so that's why it looks so naked in the background. There's like nothing, no decor. But anyways, I will put links to my vacuum and the steamer that I'm going to show in a second. This is me doing my laundry. We're remodeling the laundry room. Obviously, you can see the pantry's wide open. And this is my steamer. I like to steam my floors a couple times a week because I have little kids, and especially if you have like dogs and stuff that are inside dogs, this is so great and for like sanitizing and cleaning. You can tell I'm watching my Gilmore Girls in the background, but this is what I do just about every single night. You know, try to get the floors clean, everything done. And I do cut this off pretty short because I needed to get to bed. But if you guys enjoy this video, let me know and I will do more, maybe like organizing or cleaning videos. So give me a heart or a like, and I will, like I said, I'll put links to these in the description if you're interested. But thank you guys so much for watching with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.